Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can set up leverage on your trade on your Etoro. To do so, you just have to log into your Etoro account from your Google Chrome browser like I already did. And after logging into Etoro, you can simply go on to your trade that you want to set your leverage on. Here, go to discovery. After that, click on stocks, crypto, or even ETFs. After that, select the crypto you are interested in or any other kind of coins as well. Here you can simply click on trade and you can see that these options will pop up. Here you are not able to go on to and set leverage, but if you go on to different, here let me show you again. If you go on to your stocks option or other coins as well, that will be able to set your leverage on. You just have to search for it. If it is not showing leverage on your screen, it means that you cannot set leverage on that particular item or asset. Here, if you go onto this stock and click on trade, you'll be able to see a leverage option right here. Now if you simply click on leverage, you'll be able to set your leverage from 1x to 10x to other axes that is available. You can select or pre-select any kind of leverage that is given to you for which it is able to. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful on how you can set leverage on your Etoro. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.